Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to guide you through the simple steps to deactivate your Messenger account. Whether you are taking a break or need some time away, this is how you do it. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open up the Messenger app. You can find it on your phone's home screen or in the app drawer. In the top left corner, you can see three horizontal lines. Click on it. There you can see your profile picture, and in the same row you will see a gear ship icon, which is your settings. Click on it. Scroll down until you find password and security. Then again personal details. There you can see the option of account ownership and control. Now finally tap on deactivation or deletion. This is the option that will allow you to temporarily deactivate your Messenger account. Messenger will ask you to confirm the deactivation. Just follow the on-screen instructions. To ensure security, you may be asked to reconfirm your password. And there you go, your Messenger account is now deactivated. Your messages and account won't be visible to others. But don't worry, you can reactivate it at any time by simply logging back in. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.